Karibu sana na inde mwancho muligiriro Gitembe TV ritukeriga riachitari kibere ritukuria Jumanne kiratogenderete no muroveri yiga bwetwane ya Gitembe tugose kumia andake na bora bulinga na ki yare kurinde karibu sana tunyare gusanga sinchira ya bene asekinge sekiga na rituko erigeria rero omugeni aito aiga studio nere Nancy. How are you, my sister?
I'm good.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
You look nice.
Thank you.
Na ndi kwa vika purple. Kwa vika kala purple kogenda aneti mwegenderete boniga kuba mungona sisigi kurania amangana yukunererwa kwa abantu singincho either montaro mosbati aromo sacha aromo gaka umwana mumra manyaruka amangana gender based violence. Anyway, karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Ya ritukorigoro na riro ni ritukuria rengeri gucengira senchira ya bene bari banyarire gutwara chinguru kegima kubwa muno ase no munyite kitu kwanera asenseviga karibu sana nande ekiro tuguchaka eretori yabo na boigo. You can tell us more about yourself.
Okay. Asamarita kuruku Nancy Mauya. Njino yo mobo munyite ne virusi vya HIV. Inyamoleo mnamoko tukotabalende sikeusi sengaki yabona igorongo sherekea twarengi World AIDS Day. By the time natoko sherekea World AIDS Day nabo tukura kwanira mangana yurinde mna abantu babanyete nande mna togendera tukunyamalio
Tena people living positively.
Yeah, people living positively, stigma free.
Manyite na kong sana onyole omonto go eteva nganche unandika lakini I think pia rero tukuriga mangana technology na bange baguitaba na bange bagotema go come out inkyo kogera inkyo korengi kyagerire esabari iga yaikire yabere buna no bogusu yani yabere ngusu wake
asa abantu abange ase munankorora teri ngusu batese nsemo yane ndatebe nengusu kyagera senka kene onzi namenyere na borobo. It has been a journey batese bonege ikire bwagira nsambi yamone singencho tomanyete na maliogo naro togonya ku na turi ko gora maliogo toko free. The journey for me has been successful and grateful and positively. Asa abande mbaro ebone ya very positively abande mbaro negatively. As for now, I think I have cases chinyinge, but I followed up with some cases, and it is turned up to be positively.
Behona sana, Sister Nancy. Ekero kurigireria, most people are living in denial. Like erio mondo awekana whatever ya. Tina amini, tinda geti, nje monte vigo. Yani mondo tari goitawa. Why do you think so?
It depends on the environment. The environment maybe the between the environment that most of the go stigmatize. You don't telling gender but now I work manyanaki in to maniri kyang njitin duality and what anaki in duality. But ochago tena fulani manyana na duality ni duality you are killing yourself. That's self stigma. But you go romo you go yani enkora you go naki really well kitigan kwa naki ni duality and taishi na bo monto fulani neighbor na wala tena akiwa mbara na ba tebeta na watu tebeta nango kwa lakini tama yati okwa ndoso kina nje bora tigan kinte kwa like for me I'm a public figure. Public figure kero monto gamanyite and when I've been doing some counseling by myself na bongo konya abandi bali bategeta bokonyi umuntu nando nyomalyo wabya like there's a case recently na bwate the lady was down amagoro gabimbete bagakora testing bakanyora na positive, so they had to call me to do some more counseling. Amangana banga matena arwa to mogongo, it was not backbone. So I took her, I gave her courage, akaenda kaiwa maliogo, I accept first before taking the medication. I accept in 1 week magoro abwendi.
Igegen tukera igen tukitanga ninkiringo umuntu itaberi tanga.
Turi kuira muntu igo. Yeah. That person, you have to cancel that person, accept it, then umaya kumuira rende, kumuira gari uchikwe mariogo, it is easy to accept mariogo gari.
Mviona sana ana tuko rasi amatika wango iga na ekiro tukuria nonye statistics irende chikorokia ebagota bona mangana prevalence ya chire nsake usiyanyare kuba engusu ya sabantu bari easy yani bari asi ribaga babwate ribaga linene kwambukirwa lakini yemene utokanga chinse monjirora wose egekundi ngeroro kya abantu kurigereri buna bono barigereria abana young adolescents adolescents nabo igo abasae yatukanga sabasae boniga na umbaroro okonyora nga rero omonto mbuyare lakini singe njako teka tarikoro kusine ntokere serious konyora nga matuka make umubaromente kanire yes nkona ya wocha si abasae anino muno ekiroro chichi nambe che wochirigire kwanyora nga abasae mbachite igorake
asabasae make bare makinda tebona education yet when at kwaegwa there bataraegwa enough like now in schools universities colleges yarenko bamna ririkale twarenko genda twasomia abana at least they know, you know, by the way, they don't get scared of HIV. They're not scared of HIV. Everybody scared of pregnancy and the cancer now. They're not scared of HIV. Asa banababake, they see it as a joke. They don't care. They don't care because but they don't know the consequences of what? Of taking that medication. The viruses also come back. Yani virusi bikuira na bikomenta kamubiri kuno utuma unless omonto virusi bia be suppressed birikorekana and it's not recommendable to me. It is not recommendable to me. Asinge njaba na ono chiba konyore virusi bikonyore new infections because they're being cheated out. Maybe to tebe mwana gatekte na akabesa gaki arocha kama muntu gitine muntu nabwate besa tiankoreki so chiamkoreki nyoragando. That is how they get it. Mostly that's how they get it. Na kyo konya comment. But of late I don't know really. I can't know because tini munyagitari. So I cannot know how the percentage is at the moment.
Ekero tware gusangari tukore igoro nto arikireti egatia figures echiga lakini ndio wakwane bunda bono oko amariogo isabari ya mariogo nora nyare gutweresera andake ekero nonye okoba nonye na introduce hasa marioga ega naki omonto akobaga gutware routine eri alafu kuika kwe omoyo singencho mete it's not easy.
It's not easy. It's not easy. It's a journey. It's a journey. Bono ekero omonto gochaki wa mariogo if you are new turikwa una full dose. Okora ego for monitoring. Gora ego maybe 1 week. Wacha kwa uchi wiki ber. Wakora you are in a good progress. Wako omutienyi. But if you are not in that process, wakora na bado norari. Estene testing chiriba wakora but maita banyagitari. Ono muntu uko nyubu na barabu. So asa banyagitari, that's a process. Okwa maybe 1 week for monitoring. Then the 2 weeks, maybe for a month, and then the process wacha go 1 month, maybe ego week, maybe go suppress work 2 months, maybe go wacha 3 months. Like for me, I'm being given for 6 months. 6 months. At the same time, I studied bango ta marioga na ara ta bari tware second line. Na ara sirete Trump wakanete. But the good thing is, puna sirete, the ones we are taking, they are better off than the ones we were taking. Yeah. They're working well.
How do you know that these drugs maybe amarioka yagekero konyu ayambia okora?
I'm an experience. I'm a living testimony of that. Kiagara alitwango matnango ibere chichuba ibere. I don't have the samples now. Chichuba ibere. I could take 2 of them in the morning. They were so strong. And they chiarenge kumbwa chinguru. So the time as later out to scared, but when they tell me they'll work better than the ones. But for me, I was scared anyway. I can't lie. Now I don't know what but the good thing I think suppress it. Suppressing the virus was not detected. bone kero twerestuga omunanchi bono noche munande bwango nganchirana ono gotwachaka nabwata inyomba gatebuna twayu to yore oyo tara surprise eri tokoreki ateme gu surprise eri ndasoaya nkerurende ngatena ki njerende kuna atebi gundwaya this is good, so this one will work for me. So they've worked for me. They've worked so well for me. I don't know the others because I had react na band, but they didn't react to me at all. And I thank God for it.
Yes, nande ikokora nabwate chi type kero muntu nara konyu amoira bia nande.
Nabwate it would depend. Maybe think akinda tebe. I think akinda take mate most nabanya gitarba mai. But etna abande go react baringa naro. But I didn't see that reaction because ask me na it is normal. I feel it's okay. And it has given me a lot of appetite. unakula vizuri. Zile zingine sikuwa na appetite at all. Na nunua kila dawa ya appetite hakuna. But this one, yani hata uwezi niambia nitafute multivitamin. This one is working on me. It is working on me and I thank God for it because God knows why it happened. Yeah.
Na routines ichinde kusichi no bwate ebintu mbire moko semibwa gusebuna bono gutware naro yebintu mbire robwanete ko bakokora litukaserinde erindo muntu omenye ko ba kore healthier mbire bibiri monta komenyera gusebunae
you know
ebintu mbire okora byako make kwa ba stronger litukaserinde. Yes.
Buru koragira kuya kwa ba stress free. Okoragira kuya you avoid alcohol. You hard drinks you avoid. You eat healthy. A lot of fruits, those ones who are maybe even all of us, we need to eat a lot of fruits. To avoid red meat, but na rongoria. It is God on you. It is God. If you have God in you, there's nothing that cannot work on you. So in I just eat, but mostly we need to eat healthy. We need to eat healthy, a lot of water. You drink a lot of water so that you go samba livers. If you don't take a lot of water,
Nguya sana exercise kero kiona ki omuntu bunae bono aisikirige kuwa ke metera bora nyoranga naro rotari konyarona chinguru choko exercise kuchuru wakora ezoezi
singo kora kutonega siano maybe ntare the way I do my business I just move around. Exercise keno exercise no montu ngokora
taringo kwenda kuwekora
uchikomeka siane nyumba kichanga chiane ntare keep my mind busy by doing my business. Maybe I do something that is keep mind busy so that timba affect.
Na asense moyende ntobwate buna bona mangana yegasi no bwate I think no bwate some friends you know about them naki omuntu abwante komenya o make sure ngana bwate no nye peace of mind asa okori gasi no nye na senga ekera amenyete nabantu bandi.
First of all, you have to first of all accept. Even if you've accepted yourself. At the same time, set mind on what you're doing. And you settle in that business of yours or workplace. Might even don't even become a working place. So you need to set yourself in whatever you are doing. Avoid every kind. That's how you'll move. Yeah. And do what is best for you.
Yes. Na bono ntubwate a village setup, ntubwate no nyekero umuntu amenyete onyeka amenyete town, ntubwate abantu bamenyete nature amatechi abo amenyete na abayiboli andake abayiriga. Naro naki umuntu akorelate na barago. Singinchongo chire yabo mete ngumachire ko begetiro at first. No nyina se family go itaba no nyina sa abantu bali bakomanyete
since I didn't face anything because there was a lot of love in Jarengo, acceptance in Jarengo, everything was there, but there's one part that was not so good. Yeah, make I think about stigmatized, but at the same time everything went well. But there's some families bado they have stigma. I know the families, but it's not a matter of saying them, but kuna family, na boy married, but they've not accepted that this person is sick. And bado they've not introduced her to, maybe mbara mweka amo, at least bakoreki, baba motivate, baba show that love, at least nera inuka, na thinking na ito wana tenganyo mario gangoreki, ngandere bosi. There's still stigma in the family. But in my family, no, nothing like that. For so, 26 years now, God is good. Living a positive life.
26 years?
Yes, 26.
Or you're living positively. Enyasa enomia. Na bo igo bono whatever ngabantu bari around omuntu yiga omenyete nebinyinyi viga nguchangira bale sana asokome okoba kwa yebuya kusiku mutagora
is upbringing and its downfall. You can they contribute a lot. If they have that love and acceptance to that person that is affected, okonyara maybe no you are affected, na era tena family anene nganjite ni yang accept ni bono na bongo koraki na bongo nyamalio gana na bongo le ngento na abandi kawaida. But each akena bagukanire batena uyu bono ntumaite kumuri ntumaite kyango ndura mano buru bwesi kyango, such things. And we cannot yani even to be bakwa na negative things, they can affect that person.
Mwana sana litukurigoro kira somo yigo kolekana yali Kisii University ekarokana nga aborki wabaro balengaro nkwege balengena ndake umuntu onyora nga ochakire ko twara umuchando geto gutwara obonyenga yengo asomobere ominyokase omuntu bwate birande omuntu bwate obo oragole. What can you advise gose omuntu kwanyora nga kwegwa maliogo yimete yoro sana aya namangana ali saving yoro konyora omuntu ngakiraro ali totate ko ndanya gitari
enko bigunde ya bande mbara batana ki banyolere ryogoria ryo gwite binyi batitini kwa mini bintebyo kere bima na boranya ora chakaya ogoso esemete anyore ku affect kiagera ari nari mobere ayagoswa achiasali ari ari mobere ase kenyeji I don't think it works. Agora tindamanya ekiya tindamanya kera ngo iguna arabata ki ikenye kingero na bantu mundu naro gutumire message na ayu tukuna kiwa ya HIV kiwa rena ngakire ndutara renta abantu rende babwana nsingima. So such things are there na bande baro believe it is kenyeji but tumatike wikage backfire, there's no way out of that konyeke.
Amuntu kwanyora nga wigure bobe tari kotaka kugenda gupimwa. Do you think nga ukupimwa okolengwa kori amanyingali gereri kwakorerwa kwa muntu okorero screening akira sekero no kwingencho
kuliko koro screening as
yani muntu anomo human being kwenda kurigereriwa kolengwa abuna bone binyinyi especially abantu bari at mbaro bantu ekero muntu abiri exposed kusembara bako ba exposed more often lakini bantu mbanje ti ugupimwa kwanza abasaye mbali gutaka gupima
bali gutaka mbara bagate bariri mupira bwatekire umuntu akumye kwa go prep rero mbatika kwana ne pharmacy okwana makanya gitari kwayo one binde ina bana I think these days they don't give out ekwerende prep I don't know gitari bamede bono nga kiyo konyoro umuntu mibatereke mupira bwatekire nga prep musibatu mnyoka mupira ke mupira bwatekite tengoreki nge go prep these days timusenkero at least mpaka gani gitari kera yango ne pharmacy basi mpaka gani gitari oera swe kumbakani mario wikira bona kera bona ku amangana ya namunyoke ngiro fulani agenda pimu yaya bako kora advice kurende counseling kera na bona nyoma ki iro monta pimu na ntari ready you will get that person maybe itane positive tarenga we so muntu go como kora counseling como pima como prepare psychologically kera muntu menara tanje tiniko pimbinde ayo me
nande kero monta
ando mo pime atari tayari you will affect that person we como bange
wakwanireke ekengere sana se abantu bono abasae nabo ikononya abantu barase chinyomo kwanyora umuntu akwimukigu goso umuntu tamaitinga yarenge gochi kwanyora abantu bagosiokera gusene clinic advice ya wochi asa abantu buna abiga goso umete okupima koria alafu kwanyora omonto amachibwachire buno omonto atakagirete. I think itari gento omonto araimokera isigo.
Gento itari ndakina utari naki kuiko omonto akora counseling abe prepared psychologically. Ari amwe yaki ngopimwa rusere gopimwa kera to prepare omonto aramwa kwanza no maito kuiko buli waki ono kwa beta ya to gopima. To gopima omonto direct alafu itani na ndo nyatara prepared. So it's a person client otena bona beta ya goreki mpimi. Na ndikero kogenda mali. You're prepared to go to do that. To kwenda rio choko counseling yo. You need to go there prepared. Kera we go counseling na ndo pim.
Toka no ko counseling osoke.
Na bogo soka. Na bogo soka if you are not prepared na bogo soka. Adu maite se chinde kero na ande go depend pia ngo ko counseling maite mbale karembale barengo se au cancel tari go cancel go prepare kabisa. Era go cancel shalon ando go pima. Ome ko nyora sam onya omuntu ngusire no etarwale to ngusa. Ongusa nande bono mpaka omuntu rekana na arwale. Esta irio kungusa nere mbe counseling the squeeze it is better off than kitambo. So bono iga you need to cancel someone before taramo pima.
Do you feel like abantu pokwenta konyora ujumbe umuntu o volunteer bweso kitubuna abasahe umuntu tarira e clinic kende yonskirange nere orengo ande yiga nkobere yenye nchosa matukubuna yiga abasahe nabakon barabuna abakon ngakinere I was in Dizzy TV bashiteka bakambe on air TV. Remember the calls I received for men. Abasachi bakanga great sim ngakingo korangene ngakora. So men are not easy. Afatuma the ladies we are easy. Men gocha como convince agenda kupimwa. Koira na eri kubanya gitari.
Because I received a lot of calls. Yani musba talengo a lot of calls mpaka ngateba men are hard to accept. Unless onye kaiwa teraka kukira kirita kukwana. Did you discover that so many ladies to give testimonies than men?
Actually, men don't speak. They don't come openly.
It's very hard. They keep to themselves.
Nande naseki.
I want to about things.
Kusene singing show nature nero.
Nature we awara timani tiaropi.
Wasa chamba.
Timani awara nako.
Na kwate banga obuyamburoro bokosoka wate banga nansinje I'm living positively. Abantu bamanyanga na borego obugima bwagendera. Obuyamburoro bwesoki gotebe. Kera abantu abanke mbali gotokana ndekira bamanyire nga muntu geto manyire ko muntu geto nyorire kimbwata marigo muntu gete namanyite nga nimbwate ebinyinyi biga. Omuntu agwansa kuobwa. Ndere buya wesoki ko ba public goteba naki amaino mocha okay tari mochando ni menyete I'm in this state nande ningenderete actually nande ite boni tikopa na no mochando go say
tari mochando
actually it's not tari muziko
bueno aso weso ki kuri ngo konya kuri like bono ntebe for example sense moyane ekerone so geti yani na igote na rusiti musigo geti there's a lot of scaling ngai yugo sepi kero you know opening up ukuyubiya sana kegara you cannot suspect someone is talking to you, is talking about you. Kero mana mo ngo taraiga ukuriye mawe nyora muri tukata ki oyo manyire
ni kama ananishuku
oyo manyire on opening up is the best thing. Opening up at least this again tunkere kiri kuri list kuru mu biro kwaba free yani kwaba free from everything, every opaque things, every obstacles, everything. And you go oraye buika yani ule proud of yourself. And you go smart. Always advise abande mbare na advise
mbare bako ba comfortable gotateba
mbare bako ba comfortable but there's so many friends of mine na bande some clients na kwanta na they opened up yani bono bako tena yani nyuete smart ndio bya yani ugankonya. So opening up helps than keeping to yourself. It hurts. Because sometimes kena nabakirabe nakakina bongo chakobaiga. You know that's bad.
You have friends and akio konyoranga n'abantu no manyite ngambaroro more na barabu mugutari sabari ega komo kwanyoranga n'abantu ba mbare ase miaka yo konyora abana so umuntu obeire musigo na atakire konyora abana na kero tukurigereria chirecord okay na berenga na bokonyora umwana ore negative a possibility okay telling a possibility it's very possible
it is very possible
yes
and ekero kwa watiria masharti
usatikabona kwanyoranga ama muchonara agokorekana keigo kwanyoranga abande kurasa omongi na guchiasa omwana ebinyinyi byatambukire ngigi kego korekana
ekero atari kugwate masharti ni itari kwatebi and ekero could take long without going to the clinic getting of advice on what to do yeah marego nali bakwa ubanyo erinde be protect omwana konyora virusi hivi
mbiye muno sana lakini kwaligireria abangi nabange konyoranga omuchando bado nore naintwe nakio bwanite kuirwa
advice you can have anybody who can expectant early time at the early stage of pregnancy basic medical advice. That's what I can say.
Mondatare enyagitari utara professionals
these days unokuchake clinic lazima pimwe HIV ekinege tubabe kubona na
yere mandatory kwanyoro mbaro batari utaje clinic actually buna tukurigere buna ritukuri ale rase chigazeti mpate abuna bone county ya Wajia mother to child prevalence erigoro abana bange bari kwenda chi clinic yes
no nyeno tari Wajia yoka bokwana chiru sisamo chinde njiro but these days mbali bukwana uchibogere but Wajia yunaro chegende kibado nkiarengese akinda tebe there's a group nerende
area semetanda
to analyze on how the infection is processing naro chegende Wajia by the way so they need to
they need
to take education to them at least baba gundise on what to do. Maybe they lack education on that. But now they lack education on that. They need to go there and at least to set a facility. I want to mobilization say you at least they talk to them on what to do. Follow up. One of them might be going to follow up at least. Baba tebi kibako. It is hard, you know.
Mbia mana sana na bana mbale bakienere tole bale gati ito konyoranga ere na baiboire egatoka nga kwa bahati mbaya singenjo andake myakeli omo ibori tacheti komanya bwango gose bantu mbacheti konyora education ebuna watebire o ekabichore egatoka nga omwana yo kinene nebenyenyo thiga abana baiga health wise barabunga ki ebakwaga tu na kibako be kwabia konyora omwana okinire kare health
like na bona ganaro kule campus siro go campus they are doing well so long as they Mario garin ko bari no moy buriya and ba okinari ba manyira nan kunyi benyo na bara babu atibuya they live a long time they can even end up testing negative if scientifically it happens but they'll continue taking medication mpaka forever because they are talking removed. So they are being and they are being motivated. Kuna ile group wanaita teenage something. A group ni reba
which group unchiroro chamo.
Which baba beka. So no bako babundisera the way forward. At least baba motivated. Hata wanakuanga motivational speakers. So baba motivate, they grow up well as normal.
Mbiyo mana sana. Abange igati yabo abasae kero baikire kwanyorenga engane neraroro. Muntu na bamenyete go guso kindi nero nanda abantu mbale bamumanyete ngo yego kindi ko ba positive yamanyo ikachinga ke useno mondate go so enyumo asabasa yabange kwanyoranga timati nga kibago chibayirira okonyoranga muntu ngonyorare partner bwango gosengo chire yaba issue kwandre
konyore partner mpanyorore
abantu mbaro
no I mean I say intensema yana abange bandiri ngo batayine positive but they don't accept. So as Avanaba, it's a bit hard for them. But sometimes you might have king kwan. So it is a bit hard, but I don't know how they go about it. I don't really know. Yeah.
Abuno obono na education ibone te kove kwasi.
Ibone kubeko lakini it's a bit hard for I will explain now. Care for how they relate with the relationship. That's scientific. Maybe they can, those people with them, they can explain better.
Abantu obeanekire mitandao aye guchuri kwa active social media.
Very much.
Very much active.
Very much. Hata juzi kuna there's something I placed there with my education and my photo. So sometimes I put to educate more people.
How do people take it? Kose ekiro kwa chakita kutabana tikantumeke mitandao as Nancy na manya bantu nga ebintu biga ebirigana iga esabari gerigana iga criticism neraro nekyo komenya goko yeira
karona chagitaro nara boli tumsali ngokwana utubekire bintu by'umutandao ngokwana ngoyo kwacho sikikwatanira abantu bandena ki wacha ujinga acha kutudanganya hapa. So as time went by nikaanza kuwa na bono live.
Yes.
Nilikuwa tu nikeka pic and my na message. So I started talking live. I started taking videos na meza dawa. There's so many. So that time is when they started to accept what I was talking about. Ndio wakuja kujua kweli huyu alikuwa anasema ukweli. So people started telling me, you are a strong woman, you are a conqueror, we love you, we love what you're doing, you encourage many. Wengine wananiambia you've encouraged me, you know how can you do the same the way you're doing, nini like such like that. So you start always tarajia kuambiwa positive thing from the first. No.
Bakora
lazima mpaka utaibuka makong amarito. Ano tubati moyo libo kolemeraria na uko tena nsete but okolemerari kolia na kwa gare tubono ngakira snake iribo naiga and free
bia mana sana ngakio monta gukora of access counseling services mbantu kibali bago chiba offer counseling okomanya naki monto kite andake nabwate issue erega esingincho ari asisa bari yigande nanda kenche nabonta mokonye na kwa morifa guchiasegete uso kwanyora nonya senka nonya sekinyoro muntu narubwate issue yiga tara accept amariogo no ari gucheiga kwanya abantu bakoena na counseling embara byababono
baro counseling nabo maybe monte kerata get counseling nabo mumire se facility the counselors there bakamukora counseling bamukora counseling ba at least onye ikipatikana unamfungulia file yeah wanamwanzisha hivyo it's counseling.
Is it free of charge?
Yeah, it's free of charge.
As a health facility che serikali?
Facility che serikali, nchiro che private pia. Nchiro che private might be free, but there's some private, maybe I don't know. But I know this medication free. It is free. Hakuna kununua.
Don't you think ngonye ichi family nonye friends nabo bako ba counselors kuchasa abantu barasi sabari?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nikyo montare mukyo musarabo uyoiga kusubuna nchentebe Matilda tumenyete na Nancy nakina teme ko buguri musarabo uyoiga ntari koranga kwa mbere irumo kusino muri tasende.
It is the love.
Wanchani
wanchani buri oko ngorokia at least nebintu biri maybe orankolendo na ki kweli musigo tinda ba musigo aso yani the most important thing is acceptance and the love to the family.
Bia mana sana Nancy challenges nchira robono chire common like nonyo watebirenga na bugwita be situation lakini asisa bali igakwa rangi myake iga yonsi ebintu mbiro rogo chukwa encounter paka watebanga bwa kwa riri watebankieke
challenges to achitiri paka wana to anat challenges maybe into getting into a relationship.
Abantu na bako wanja but this relationship is where they draw the line.
Koma ya montari negative or positive oma korengere mondata naki it is normal ona gakiorengere it is normal if something goes wrong ngogo blame go otaninji even sometimes even very so difficult ko ngakindata yani ndina biko chibya nkongera nche bona challenges na chicho ase mangana relationship.
You feel like today to go abantu mo ko musigo so muntu
usikomocha ko musigo mai tubona muna igango nyoro muntu re negative and positive ono sinyuka kimura cha ko relate But you know, it's easy to relate. When I'm the back, if anything happens here, unless you're a positive like me, it will work. I don't do abunto ganda, like you want the negative. Yes, kuna nyoko discordant. But I say inche, marriages were discordant, positive and negative. Discordant, work discordant, and the banyo one or negative. If they go here, we have a charity, now we're going negative. But for what a charity, now woman or another affected. But saying, I'm very rankong.
Zamagana relationship, Abumondo Tawa
Chana. Oh, no, when you're monta negative. If anything happens on the way, blame me one. I might have un chango chinda na but it is not bad, but don't go to negative and positive. Mario na ba ko but sense mayane ako
tokumia na ntobwate buna bono no bwata abasani bali mu gutara komo lakini kwa ranga challenge ni reba kuchbatwara mostly akoba common una chirichichi ai whatever sense mo yawe ntuke go okoranga ototiti we chandra mono to relationships
yani akinda tebona yani very strong munande strong. But they're still nagging behind. But anybody
anajishuku
yani tari kushuku kuoka yani mbari kinda tebaka kindi
akweringa nga muchando yo no yone eringete
kera bona bakora na ni nyare bole but with friends tinga kinda tebaka yagara tinara bakombogole musigo
ana ndote apa wiko kwanyoranga watu walire I think pia no manyitenga mbaroro bare awe kote batinda gite mariogo na rosiri mariogo ndosiri
ngoro siali kera like 2010 I left niliacha dawa mwaka mzima was it 2010 yes 2010 niliacha mwaka mzima by the time I was living in Mombasa. Then ngai machokunyo abantu ngutika bali kama ochokwira na naibo ngacha ku second line to na first line icho bono ngacha ku second line na dai bono tuarwete tukirana na hande chinde so it happens it happens but I can't recommend bantu batiki bantu batikere na nanga kenya sa umbwa tekiagara tinda ire tinye gitari timbe keri manyinga timbe keri mache
ngikiagire terando gacha kuira na gote wangatigangira na sedu
na ire tesengencho I thought I'm affecting the family.
I love Pia. You want to live longer.
Yeah, I want to live longer. And I'm important to some. So I said, let me just start again. So fully let me educate others. Educate others on the consequences of living the medical.
Did anything nkwa experience anything bad like koligerelio tebenga
I lost a lot of weight. I lost a lot of weight. I lose strength. But kora nyagitari artindari. Kubekuru manyinga kubekuru machi no. Na I just walked by myself. Alikero nashite busonga na ribo nashite kubeku in the right medication.
Oh.
Yeah.
Lakini ni safari ya very beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful ups and downs. Those this yani challenges, but we thank God.
Now, your last talk to the young generation, and I can already when you're as a safari yiga o chakire kwanyoranga bande mbaro una balitota bare in denial muntu tatakitia mali okusakonyu utuma. Actually, umuntu nebe konyo eriogo.
Yes. Mama take freshers. Baba fresher bali baba uchaka. Banyaro kweba. Like buno na irete nebete akanyu akebali bagale nkonyu saa 3 akanyu saa 4. And the following day akeba akanyu saa 3. That's an overdose. It's an overdose. When saa 3 otu monyu saa 4 yara fresher. Onyu saa 4. Na ane mambio chochu saa 3 una overdose because there's time allowance up katikati.
Only ke went about 24 hours in 24 hours.
Not even 24 hours. Kama 9 vile nimemeza 9. Tomorrow 9. Not even 4, not even 10, 9. Tuli go tumabona. So, as a young generation, if you've been infected take your medication.
At the right time.
It is free. Sio mambo ya kwenda kununua dawa. It is free. Just go take your medication. Just take your medication well. Accept yourself and love yourself.
We shared with some stakeholders yesterday. Unabona nto bate abanyagitari naboigo abakubwa okura sevyombe naboigo chinyagitari. Ekintu bakwanirite underfunding. Underfunding korwa buna bono ekero tukwanira ekiombe buna USAID kia butorete obokonyi buri wa mariogo ne chibesa gocha sense ya Kenya. Ya tokiringa bono yabere na boira be bad na serikali kiagera serikali tiri kunyara ko raise funds echisaine. Do you think ngengane inu yabaikere? Do you feel the effect?
Yeah, there's a time mune just arsirete there's an effect. Kera bono ndo arasumbo kitake but mune serikali asoete imebwango at least walifika wakatusaidia, but you know sometimes it can na bochira asire anytime. Like Jews, there's a time nimeambiwa say you have to make sure you have enough in your house. Sasa utakuwa na enough wa mtoto wako unless upewe.
How much is enough?
Unless upewe kutoka hospitali. So the time they said, unajua hizo dawa zitapotea. Sasa vile zinapotea tunaogopa, we are afraid that they'll get lost. Zitapotea tena tuanze kusumbu. So what I can advise on that, what I can advise my fellow conquerors, let me say that, my fellow dasemaje. Yani hapa buhia bantu bunantu chingongo. Kanywa mariogo buya. Surprise ga abanyangongo. Kenali rusi. Bono kanywa mariogo. Ga kanywa mariogo ibinyi birare kitoro. Eriogo nalisira nobo no tanywa wiki. At least onya no gwati chinguru mobere. Ogwati chinguru mobere amariogo ga kimfuri tutagura. Turaikarende tugure ngakimora. Bono the only can advise is take your medication well. Take a lot of water, drink a lot of fruits, and adhere to your medication. Yani zingatia kwa dawa zako.
Chinga kinchiro roko nyoranga sange. Abantu abange nabo konyora umuntu ukinire wikire myaka bune yane tanya korra marioga ega. Lakini wata konyora chichubechiga usamarioga egare disposed somewhere. Bantu ki nka yewe ikira konyora umuntu atukutata mariogo.
What the lack of knowledge.
Now when to go to saying these drugs are very expensive.
There's a time I was in Nairobi, I got Kangemi Street at a flyover. I was walking downstairs, na renkwenda somwe. Kamanya konyora umuirense, then kabuli umwe wakinoru chibono gaki. Ma bono tuchandikita mariogo maya umuirense. And then there's a time I was in Kisumu somewhere. So I said, are these people having knowledge really? Kera tubane tukutama. Go to irania. Okwirania gitari, tetinta geti. Koraki. Ka monto manga.
Esenjo okolemerwa nkoro na boniga no.
Imagine.
Yes, korwase the Ministry of Health ya bwatu gitege kuruba katoga kumena ki. Andakenga kia bantu barachi kumenya samutukale busi. Igo nere biyekera umuntu aroriringa rioko ndiri kumwira biya. Alirani se facility.
Agenda ba resa na ki ka kiriogeri ndiri kongira buyankonya ringa na ba gochenchia riro.
Bantu mbara bachande kitamaria gotaiterwa.
Taiterwa akibo marioga irani kunye gitari.
Bona sana Nancy. Omweteke actually okonyoranga na bukonyora tukumanya metabanke mbari twakiniro korora chichuba turkumanya ni yaki. Actually I na bogotara tu free automating ani kiwa.
Screen ga, tumesimba screen ni mbate bichaya yega.
Nkagire tenga eyo. Turache go screen ni tukoli ngao. Na boigo motivation yago wono chase abantu bonsi ntobwata abantu batabwati batali asesa bali I know. Lakini nabuto abantu bale okay, oyo bwati oyo tabwati twense na motori.
If you are not infected, you are affected.
They are affected now. Nekira batei sichinka abantu mbaroro bamenyete ne binyenye biga sichinka. Nekibarabe pillars ogosenda kibarabe ngana ubako batinya kemoika sichinchira chonzi.
Sichimbora the only thing ora batena. Sajani kunya marioga ya. So they have to be keen and be careful on what they do. Mono, they have to be keen on what they do. And kwerekera bono bintu bindi bingenda bateke ntuki kwenda batena ki babe careful on whatever bagokora naende bichaka mario gatari gosori kiara na bara boronyore kwabere na kwabeire. So it's only that to be careful whatever you do and whatever to say to you say to the person infected.
Kimoika ngoenki gekugosira kimoika
it's just giving glory to God. Ogwa karanya saimbe mono kiara na roto bekira singa kiyo nuche mnasira tokaegwa yabona ara tokoliri biyabona kubwali asirite. Ogwa karanya saimbe mono kiara aliyaweka aliyatia nguvu. Sasa tunayameza kwa Roho Mtakatifu.
Amina. Ogusaba ko ino nkolinga amalio gotabura. Amalio gotarema. Sainara. Amalio gota na ndekero tukuriye ngano nye wizara yo buchenu ke bwato boyenga yengo gintu gyo kato gusaba nkerina ki. Amalio gaya. Ave ase umustali obusyo. Kati.
Nanda abantu mbatika kunya malio.
Mebona sana Nancy. Your last word, maybe you can say hi to someone. Ekero otogukora esingincho yebiro.
I can just say hi to my family members, my sister Jackie, Cynthia, and my church member Sitam Kisi. Thanks for giving me showing me love, walking me in this journey, all through up to this moment. May God bless you.
Mbiabona sana egati ya mbare bali ka ujumbe chabo babo Christopher Atandi mwalimu Elijah Ochenge Museti Innocent na bwo bana baske basagote banganyasa ya korinde wamenya matuka mange mono ga Nancy awe gagote bona kweli Madam Nancy venyo uko smart.
Thank you.
Awe go agote banga I'm happy to see you nende ole biya kabisa aya. Nabo go Fred Morgan era agotabanga watching and listening kurwa chinse muchanya kenyomisia bana baske basokorwa nande nero yukoro do Qatar nabo go Fred Nyandieka omusima singiche ebiro Nancy na tugukora abana nentusange asechinga kichinde.
Asante sana.
Karibu tena na umonchi umurigire nabo igomotegereri abono tugukorera ikingese kiga keritko lya rero tubasa kuminga andake na kiamenyo kiga singincho yebiro nabo igo emiroberi yende emenge na tugukorera abo na no igwete gosegeta korwa Nancy nkolinga abantu tikabanyoma lyogo nabo igo abantu twanchane asechinga anonsi setore abantu bonsi banyale guitabana na boigo abasubati bebwatiranire minyoke nyagitari rengwa naboigo bwatio guchika korwa ase enyagitari nkoro Matilda oboigo twarengenere Nancy Mauya.
Asante.
Nancy Mauya karibu tena nande mbia mono tumira na chinga kichinde.
Asante.